Linktree versus Koji. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which link management tool is better among Linktree and Koji. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Linktree. Linktree offers a user-friendly interface with a simple setup process, making it easy for users to create and customize their links. It allows users to share multiple links on one page, making it convenient for audience engagement. It also offers analytics to track link clicks and user engagement, helping users understand their audience better. It supports integration with various social media platforms and services, enhancing functionality. There is a free version available that provides essential features, making it accessible for everyone. Customization options in the free version are somewhat restricted, limiting brand personalization. The free version includes branding and ads, which may not be ideal for all users. To access more advanced features, users need to opt for a paid plan, which may be a drawback for budget conscious users. Now, let's come towards Koji. Koji offers versatile content creation, allowing users to create a variety of content types, including games, polls, and forms, which enhances user engagement. It also allows users to create highly customizable profiles that reflect their personal brand. It provides in depth analytics to track user interactions and content performance. Includes community building features like comments and direct messaging, fostering interaction. It also supports selling products directly through the profile, making it a great option for creators looking to monetize. The extensive features may come with a steeper learning curve for new users. The free version has limited capabilities which may not satisfy users looking for a comprehensive solution. Some features require users to connect with external platforms, which may complicate the setup. Choosing between Linktree and Koji depends on your specific needs and preferences. Linktree is ideal if you want a straightforward link management tool with essential features, while Koji offers advanced content creation and community features. Consider your content strategy, the importance of customization, and how you want to engage with your audience to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for the video.